Why we needed to wait until this corona situation to start it? It's so simple. One more piece of advice on well-being of our employees, because now they stay home, we don't get together, we don't have big meetings. How to inspire them, how to motivate them. So I have very simple and useful trick. We just created online chat, group chat for our company, for all our employees, and we have this rule. If everyone, any department or any branch of our company has some good news, any kind of new news, we started new consulting project, it's a good news. We got some award, it's a good news. Something was written about our company, something good, it's a good news. We have new, fresh reviews from our clients, good news. And we were on some event, good news. We conducted some popular webinar or something, it's good news. And we publish information about this on this closed chat. And everyone in our company, every employee can read it or watch it or listen to it. And as the result, they all are updated. They understand the company is alive. And what's interesting? We made it after this corona situation started. We started to run this online chat for our employees. And we found out one amazing thing. The first idea what I found out, that I had the question, why didn't we start it before? Why we needed to wait until this corona situation to start it? It's so simple. Because now everyone is updated. They know that even if they struggle with something, look at this, what happens with our employees. They have some problems in their professional area. They struggle with something in their professional area. And if they to focus on these local problems, with some functions, with some results, with some clients, for them, the whole our company fails. Because they don't see what happens in other departments, what results of other employees. But thanks to this online chat, they updated. They know there are so many great things happen, and as the result, they believe in the future of our business. They believe in you as a goal setter of your company. They believe in their management. They believe that you have strategy. They believe that they have some place to work in for the future. So just do it. It's pretty simple. WhatsApp or some messenger, some popular messages, create this group and update your employees. And you will see very soon how the inspirational level goes up, motivation goes up, and finally, the efficiency of your company goes up.